Hey adventurers and survival enthusiasts. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the BattlBox Survival and Outdoor Gear Subscription Box Advanced. This subscription service promises to deliver top-notch survival and outdoor gear right to your doorstep every month. Let's break down why BattlBox could be the ultimate subscription for you. What's inside? BattlBox is known for its carefully curated gear, which includes fire starters, medkits, water filters, tents, backpacks, knives, tools, and even shelf-stable foods from reputable brands like Tops Knives, Zippo, Leatherman, Gerber, and more. Each box is a mission with its own theme, ensuring you get a fresh and exciting assortment of gear every month. For example, the Roaring Fire Ember pouch is perfect for carrying emergency fire starting kits, and the Climate Versa blanket is a favorite for its warmth and portability. The Rhino USA Kinetic Recovery Rope is a game-changer for vehicle recovery situations, and the hybrid light lantern and flashlight, with built-in solar panels, are essential for both camping and emergencies. Value for money. One of the biggest highlights of BattlBox is its value. Subscribers have found that the cost of the items individually is often significantly higher than the subscription price. On average, you can save anywhere from 20% to 45% compared to buying the items separately. Plus, the gear is often unique and not something you'd easily find on your own. For instance, over the course of 9 months, one subscriber noted substantial savings compared to individual purchases, with boxes often containing $220 to $423 worth of gear for the Pro plan's $144 cost. This makes it a cost-effective way to stock up on high-quality gear. High-quality gear. The gear included in BattlBox is both high-quality and practical. The subscription features a variety of versatile items like the Roaring Fire Ember pouch, which can hold different survival essentials, and the Climate Versa blanket, renowned for its warmth and packability. The Rhino USA Kinetic Recovery Rope and the hybrid light lantern and flashlight are also standout items, offering reliability and functionality. Moreover, the boxes often include innovative products that subscribers might not discover on their own. The BattlBox team is dedicated to finding and testing new gear, ensuring that each box contains useful and sometimes surprising items that enhance your outdoor and survival experience. Subscription tiers. BattlBox offers 4 different subscription levels to suit various needs and budgets. Basic, $34.99 per month essential survival gear. Advanced, $64.99 per month includes basic gear plus more advanced items. Pro, $119.99 per month, all of the above, plus premium gear. Pro Plus, $169.99 per month includes everything plus a knife of the month. Each tier builds on the previous one, ensuring that you get more value and specialized gear as you move up. This tiered approach means there's a BattlBox for everyone, from beginners to seasoned survivalists. Customer experience. Subscribers rave about the excitement of receiving their box each month, comparing it to opening a surprise gift full of adventure-ready tools. The customer service is also highly praised, ensuring that any issues are quickly resolved and that subscribers always feel valued. The thrill of discovering new gear, combined with excellent customer service, keeps subscribers engaged and satisfied. Many have been loyal members since BattlBox's inception in 2015. Enjoying the consistent quality and variety of the products. Is it worth it? If you're passionate about the outdoors, enjoy camping, or just love collecting high-quality survival gear, BattlBox is definitely worth considering. It provides an affordable way to build up your gear collection over time without the upfront cost of buying everything at once. Plus, any gear that you might not use can make excellent gifts for fellow adventurers. The BattlBox subscription also stands out because of its focus on unique and hard-to-find items. The team goes above and beyond to source innovative tools and equipment, making each box an opportunity to discover something new and valuable. Additionally, BattlBox offers flexibility with its mission system. Each month's box is themed and numbered, and subscribers can reorder past missions. This feature is particularly useful if you find a specific item you love and want duplicates, or if you wish to gift a box to a friend. Overall, BattlBox offers an exciting, valuable, and practical way to enhance your outdoor and survival gear collection. Whether you're preparing for emergencies or simply enjoy exploring the great outdoors, BattlBox has something to offer everyone. So, whether you're a seasoned survivalist or just starting out, BattlBox offers a fantastic way to enhance your outdoor experiences with top-tier gear. Check the description below for the Amazon link, and happy adventuring!